exactly one straight line. So first, let's draw the 2 points. So let's connect them using a straight line. So instead sa zigzag at atong gamitan is ang straight line. So as you can see, straight line ang atong gamit para i-connect sila both. So why is the straight line is the simplest and shortest path? So ang straight line is the simplest path because it is the unique line that connects these 2 points directly without deviation. Kaya curve sa zigzag is kuan siya kanang they deviate from direct connection between 2 points na lisod kita sa ana-ana ka. So according to Euclid geometry is ang straight line segment ko lang is kanang between 2 points is the kanang shortest distance connecting them kani. So that's why ang pamili is a straight line mo siyang be considered as the simplest and the shortest path between 2 points. Postulate 2. Beyond the page. So activity is draw a line segment on the paper, then take additional sheets and keep extending it. So kaya wala man tape, ang draw na lang ko. So imagine na siya ang paper. Paper siya. And then, mag-draw ka ang straight line here. Mag-draw ka ang straight line. Then, mag-add ka another paper here. Kung natin yung rata na yung na, so mag-add ka another paper. So in this paper, you can only draw a finite segment. But by adding it, more paper like this is, you can keep extending the segment as far as you can. So pwede sa mag-add. So no matter how far you go, you could always add more paper and extend further. So the question is, does the line end with the paper? The answer of that is no. So line doesn't end with the paper. The cunning drawing itself stops at the paper's edge. So, but in the math, ang line is an ideal object that extends infinitely.
Postulate 3. Circles everywhere. Use a compass, string, or any circular object to draw a circle of different radius and center. So, ang kidala is string. So, practically, a string fixes a center. So, for moving it from the center to the other side, so, let's add points. Here, the ray, next is the ray, and the ray. Until makamake tayo ng circle. So, as you can see, this string traces all points at distance. So, why can the circles can be drawn from any center and distance? Because of Euclid postulate 3, it assumes that for any chosen center and any chosen distance or radius, a circle exists.
Postulate for right angle test. All right angles are equal to one another. Pasabot, tanan right angle daw kung kay pareha sila o sugod. So, kung naatay duha ka right angle, di mo bisag pareha dyan na sila o sugod na 90 degrees. Panulinta na atay libro table. Sa kung saan sila ka-lahi of size, basta ilang edges kay same, pareha na sila o 90 degrees. So, bisan asa o saon paghimo asang angle na tarong na perpendicular, ang mga ninja equal na gyapon sa tanan right angles.
So, I'm gonna discuss Euclid's postulate, specifically ang postulate 5, which is the mystery of parallel. So, isa na siya sa postulate ni Euclid. So, ang example is, stand at the middle of a long straight road, and when you look far into the distance, the two sides of the road appear to meet a point on the horizon. So, example daw is kanang magtindog ka tunga sa dalan, like kanang straight, as in straight isa daw. Yung patanaw din mo sa tumoy, it's muna siya katagbo, just like this, kani example, muna siya atong Example, road, muna siya ang side sa road, kani siya, which is atong parallel line niya, which is dire daw, example, dire ka magtindog. Ang paglantaw dan mo dire sa padulong dire is, mura siya o gamit, mura siya gatagbo. Pero og if, anhiyon daw nimo siya, like duulon nimo siya, ang distance daw dire og dire is same lang. So, tungod ra na sa perspective sa atong eyes on how our eyes see distance. Muna pananan nato is mura siya ga duol, pero sa duol same ra gyud na siya distance tungod ra sa atong pagtan-aw. So explanation is, this shows that parallel lines do not meet, o dili siya mag-meet, no matter how far they are extended. The appearance of the meeting is due to perspective. So tungod ra sa perspective on how our eyes see distance. So muna siya ang postulate 5 ni Euclid, which is the mystery of parallel.